Hi, my name is Charlie. I'm a senior technician here at Diamond Multimedia, and I'm here to introduce our VS100. Now, if you're familiar with our VS50, you're going to recognize the design for the transmitter. It has the HDMI connection, the micro USB for power, and the infrared connection here. But unlike our VS50, the VS100 has a larger receiver. It has its own dedicated 5-volt connection for the power adapter, an HDMI output, infrared in, and a spot 4-in antenna. Now, the difference between these units and the VS50 is the range for this unit is 150 feet. And like the VS50, there is no software required whatsoever. You don't even need a computer. And included, we also have the antenna for the receiver. Now, also inside the packaging, you're going to receive the 5-volt power adapter. You're going to receive the USB power cable for the transmitter. You're going to go ahead and receive one of these elbow HDMI adapters. So in case if space is tight and you don't want to have the transmitter hitting a wall or anything, you can just go ahead and plug it in like this and it would be standing upright to save space. Also, since I did mention that this unit comes with an infrared connection, you're going to receive 2 of these IR blasters. So if you connect it to something like your cable box that has its own remote control, you can use a remote for the cable box to go ahead and hit these IR blasters to change the channels, go into the settings, do pretty much whatever you would normally do with that remote. And like the VS50, these units can go ahead and transmit audio and video up to 1080p. Now, if you want to go ahead and purchase, or if you have any questions about the VS100, you can go to our website, diamondmm.com, and get whatever information you like. Contact us here at tech support in case if you can't find the answer to the question that you have, or even order it from our online store, once again, at diamondmm.com. Thank you.